welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the second part of Dubai series. So welcome to video number 2, and today's topic is going to be very interesting and very short, which is how to find a job in Dubai. This is not an elaborated version, this is a very brief version because people like short videos. Okay, so we will be talking about 4 things in this video. Okay, so let me just introduce the 4 topics to you and let's dive into the topics straight. The first one is, from where can I apply and get job in Dubai? Can I sit in India and apply? Can I sit in Sri Lanka and apply? So this is the first topic that we are going to talk. The second one is about your resume that you're going to give to the job market in Dubai. The third one is the online job search genuine portals that I am going to talk about. And the fourth one is the most important one, which is networking and recruitment. So let us dive into the first topic. So the first topic, Stina, can I sit in India and then apply for job in Dubai? Will I get? Stina, can I sit in Dubai and then apply for India? Will I get? What dilemma is this? See, here it's a simple no. You can't sit in your mother country and then apply for job in a different country and get it easily. Okay, in Dubai especially, Dubai is such a huge opportunity filled market that people will recruit only people who are physically available in UAE. Okay, so this is a straight no from my end. You might get, if you apply from India, you might get, if your Atta Maga is here or your Chikama Dodama Maga is here in Dubai and is referring you, you might get it that way. But for anybody who is coming like me and searching for job, you can't sit in India and get a job in Dubai. The reason is simple because, example, they called me in the morning, Stina, your resume is shortlisted. Can you come for interview in like 1 hour? So if I tell yes, there are chances that I get the job. If I tell no, I am in my home country, no, they will not. They will see people who can, get in immediately. And they can't connect you, from here, from Dubai to India, they can't call you. Immediately they see your phone number Indian, which is starting from +91, they're rejecting the resume. Okay, because that is not easy for them. Why would they wait for you if they have candidates physically present in UAE who can immediately join, right? So that is a big no. It is best that you come to UAE, come here physically, spend your time, have patience, apply from here, get job from here. I hope this is clear. And the second topic is the resume. So many people asking me what kind of resume, how can we apply, what kind of resume. Guys, you see a lot of ATS word mentioned everywhere. ATS resume is needed. Stina, ATS resume, how do we make ATS resume? Guys, let me tell you clearly, ATS resume is not used widely in UAE. It is not like every company needs ATS resume. We can give a very simple resume which will be selected. Okay, so personally me, I just downloaded an application which is Resume Builder, and there you can put in all your details and then they will show you an option which is ATS, and put it in ATS in a very mild color and then send it and apply. And the thing here is, you can't make color resumes, just like my dress, this color, brown color, black color, yellow color, green color. You can't make that resumes which we make in India. It must be very nice, mild color things, and you can't put bullet marks, star marks, arrow marks. And some people in the resume, the known languages, English, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Out of 5, you color the 4 stars because your proficiency is in that level. So you can't do all that. So you need a simple resume which will show how good your formations are, or your resume will actually show how disciplined you are. So they just need the information about how good your communication skills are. What did you do previously if you are a fresher or if you have a experience? And here you go. The last tip is that if you're searching for a job here and you have experience in India, back in India or Sri Lanka, that will not be considered in corporates here. Okay, they will be taking you as a fresher. They need only UAE experience. So if you have UAE, if you are worked in UAE and you have 6 to 1 year experience, they may consider and give you a good hike. But India, I had 3 years experience from India, but they considered me as a fresher, and I am beginning my career here as a fresher. So that will be the same thing for you guys as well. So the second topic is completed. Let us dive into the third topic, which is online portals or online applications through which you can apply for job. Okay, if you do not have any cousins, relatives, attamaga, chittapamaga here, you have three main applications, which is Gulf Talent, LinkedIn and Indeed. In Gulf Talent, LinkedIn and Indeed, please register yourself. And Gulf Talent, you can keep it like, use it for 50%, but make sure LinkedIn and Indeed is 100% active. These two are going to give you interviews very quick. For me, it was through LinkedIn. Okay. And on the next video, I will be telling how to search job in LinkedIn and at what time you need to apply and in what category you need to apply in order to get job very quickly. So the next video, don't miss it. Okay. So as I said, LinkedIn, Gulf Talent and Indeed are widely used and genuine, very genuine. So in LinkedIn, make sure you have good connections now itself from India. I was somebody with zero connections in LinkedIn when I came here. With zero connections, and I applied for a job and I got a job. And there is a strategy for that. That is what will come up in the next video. And we still have sites which is like Naukri Gulf, Bet, something like that and all, Glassdoor and all. You can use it, but not too much. I think you should put your full efforts in LinkedIn and Indeed, because LinkedIn and Indeed will give you genuine, very good job things. If you apply in Naukri Gulf, that these and all, it is going to be like, you know, scam jobs. And about the scam jobs, I'll have a separate video, guys. So right now, subscribe to my channel and keep it ready. You have a lot of information coming in the next 10 upcoming series. So this is what I want to tell: LinkedIn, Indeed, Gulf Talent. These three. Third topic done. Let us get into the last and important topic to everyone, which is networking and recruitment. So when I tell networking and recruitment, I am someone with very good networking now. But when I came to Dubai, I was not having network. So what does it mean? It simply means that you come, you're staying in a flat. You have the whole floor. You know all the people, network with them, make friends with them. Friends matlab, don't go sit at their house, talk and all. Just see, hi bro, I'm here for searching for job and everything. Tell your profile in brief. Bro, if you find a job, just let me know. Finish. More than enough. And keep good relationship with people. Okay. Anytime you see them, greet them. Hi, how are you? Did you find a job, bro? Sister, did you get any job? That will suit me. Be good to them. Through networking is where 98% freshers get job in Dubai. Simple. That is what is networking and recruitment. Me, I think we were good friends in flats and we had a lot of Malayalis there. Okay. And we both of us, me and Joe, both of us had faced a lot of problems regarding job, and these people, whenever their company was hiring, they used to let us know. They used to let me know whenever an outer company is hiring and all. So networking is really important. So we have completed all 4 important topics today in brief, and do let me know if you need any topic elaborated. I can do it. I can do it for you guys. I am longing to help anybody who is leaving their family in India and coming like a strong iron woman or iron man to take care of the family. I am here. I will do the best for you guys. And I am not able to reply on Instagram DMs because there are so many people texting me, and it is impossible, nearly impossible for me to, like, reply, keep, maintain relationship. So that is the reason why I commonly post a YouTube video, so that this is informative to everyone. And thank you so much. If you need any specific topic in any specific language, please let me know on the comment section. Please don't DM me on Instagram. I can't, seriously, I can't, reply there or see the messages. So drop in a comment. I will be more than happy to, give a common or shoot a common video for you guys and post it this way. And I'm doing it in, doing it in English. Do it in, it seems. I'm doing it in English just because people asked me to do it in English. I put a vote on my Instagram and people asked me to do it in English. Okay. So this is commonly a Malayalam channel, but I'm doing it in English because I think I have almost 20k plus followers on Instagram, and everybody speaks English. I believe this is a universal language. Everybody should understand. So yeah. So upcoming videos are going to be filled with information. Do not forget to subscribe and share this video to anybody who wishes to come to Dubai and settle their life. Bye bye. Until the next video.